Hi everyone, welcome to Smart Math Online Tutor. This is the second video of my geometric construction series, and that is regarding construction of perpendicular lines. So let's get started. First of all, let us see what is a perpendicular. When one line makes 90 degrees with another line, we say the two lines are perpendicular to one another. We use this symbol to represent perpendiculars, and you can show it in a diagram like this. According to this diagram, we can say AB and CD are perpendicular to each other. First, let us see how to construct a straight line of a given length. I'm going to draw a line of 15 centimeters. So first of all, I draw a line like this and then take my ruler and measure 15 centimeters using the pair of compass. Now you can see how I measured it, and then what I do is I place it in one corner of the line I drew and draw an arc on the opposite corner like this. Then I move on my compass to the arc I drew and place it like this. Then with the same length I draw another arc in this side to make sure the line segment is of 15 centimeters. Then I am going to name it as AB, where the line segment AB is of 15 centimeters. So if needed, you can also mark the length on the line segment like this. So this is how we construct a straight line segment, and then let's see about perpendiculars. Below perpendiculars, first of all, we are going to see how to construct a perpendicular to a line at a given point in the line. So here you see the line AB and the point C. So we are going to construct a perpendicular to AB through C. First step is keep your compass on C like this and mark two arcs on either sides of C like this. Then you can move your compass to one of these two arcs. If needed, you can change the length. It's not necessary to keep the length as the before in this case. Now you can draw another arc above the line AB and below the line AB. So here I mark an arc below the line first, and then I move with the same length in my compass and I mark an arc above the line AB. Now in this case you can't change the length of the compass. With that same length you come to the other arc and you have to cut the two arcs you drew before up and down like this. So the last step of this construction is you have to join the 2 points of intersection of the two arcs above the line AB and below the line AB with a straight line like this. Then you will see this straight line passes through C. So here we have drawn a perpendicular to AB through the point C, which is on the line AB. The second case under perpendiculars is the construction of a perpendicular to a line from an external point. Now previously it was a point on the line. Now here you can see R is an external point from the line PQ. So here now we are going to drop a perpendicular from R to the line PQ. First step, keep your compass on R, mark two arcs on PQ like this. Then come to one of these two arcs and draw another arc in the opposite direction of R like this. And then with the same length, you have to move to the next arc and cut the arc you draw here. Like this. We go here and simply cut the arc drawn before. Now the final step here is you have to join the point R and the point of intersection of the two arcs we have drawn now, like this. So this line is perpendicular to PQ and it is dropped from R. So we can mark it as perpendicular like this. The final part under this section is construction of a perpendicular bisector. That means the line we construct is perpendicular to AB and at the same time it is bisecting AB as well. So first step, we place the compass on A and mark two arcs above AB and below AB like this. Then without changing the length, we come to the point B and cut the previous two arcs. So this is very simple. We cut the two arcs up and down like this to get 2 points of intersections of the two arcs. And then finally what we have to do is to join these 2 points of intersections of the two arcs to get the perpendicular bisector of the line AB. So here we go, we join it like this. And at the same time you have to mark that this line we constructed is perpendicular to AB, and also now in this case we can mark the two sides on either sides of the perpendicular line are equal like this. Hope I made myself clear about construction of perpendicular. See you with another interesting chapter of the geometric construction series. Until then,